Hey ladies! Want to keep things happy down there? Let's talk about 8 delicious foods your vagina will absolutely love. From fresh bites to fermented delights, this is the tastiest self-care routine you've ever tried. But before we dive into the delicious stuff, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and show some love to Healing Bite, your go-to for bite-sized health wisdom with a twist. Now, let's get into it. Let's start with probiotics, tiny warriors that protect your vaginal balance from the inside out. Found in foods like yogurt and kefir, they help fight inflammation, support immunity, and maintain a healthy pH. For top-tier benefits, look for strains like Lactobacillus rhamnosus GR1 and Lactobacillus reuteri RC14. These have been shown to keep yeast infections and bacterial vaginosis in check. Next up, sweet potatoes. They're not just delicious, but also rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A, and potassium, key nutrients that support hormone regulation and may reduce your chances of bacterial imbalance. Feeling off balance? Soy could be your ally. Packed with phytoestrogens, it may ease menopausal symptoms like dryness and night sweats. Plus, its fiber content keeps your gut in good shape, important for all-around vaginal wellness. Ever heard that cranberry juice helps with UTIs? It's true, thanks to antioxidants and vitamin C. But skip the sugar-loaded versions and go for 100% pure juice to get the full benefits without the additives. Found in fish like salmon and seeds like flax, omega-3 fatty acids help fight inflammation, ease menstrual cramps, and improve circulation. Yes, even to your most sensitive spots. They're also a natural moisturizer from within. Spinach, kale, arugula, dark leafy greens are packed with iron, magnesium, and nitrates that boost circulation. More blood flow means better sensitivity and reduced dryness. Plus, they support hormonal balance and overall energy. Avocados are creamy gold for vaginal health. Loaded with vitamin E, potassium, and healthy fats, they help strengthen vaginal tissue, fight dryness, and calm inflammation. Add some slices to your salad or toast. It's self-care made tasty. Don't forget fruit. Apples, blueberries, and pomegranates are more than sweet treats. They're rich in antioxidants and fiber, which reduce bloating, boost blood flow, and help prevent unpleasant odor or discharge. A fruity snack is a happy snack for you and your bits. There you go, 8 nourishing foods that your vagina will absolutely thank you for. When you eat with your health in mind, everything benefits, including your most intimate parts. Sparkling heart hit that like button, share with your girlfriends, and subscribe for more wellness wisdom every week.